Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to set a profile video on Telegram using your Android device. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give your profile some extra personality, whether you want to showcase your favorite moment, introduce yourself with a quick clip, or just have some fun with Telegram's cool video feature. Let's dive right in and get started. First, go ahead and open up the Telegram app on your Android phone. If you're like me, that icon is probably on your home screen, just waiting to get tapped. Once Telegram's open, look to the very top left corner of your screen and you'll spot the familiar menu icon, the three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap those and that'll slide out the main menu where you can access all the app's core settings. Next, from that menu, find and tap on Settings. It's usually toward the bottom, alongside options like New Group and Contacts. Your settings page is where you can customize a bunch of stuff about your account, including your profile. Right at the top of the settings screen, you'll see your current profile picture, or if you haven't set one yet, an empty placeholder waiting to be filled. Tap on that image area and you'll be brought to your personal profile page. It's like your control center for how others see you on Telegram. Here, where the magic starts, look for a small camera icon over your profile photo. If you don't see a camera, you might see three vertical dots instead. Give that a tap and you should see an option that says Set Photo or Video. Choose that, and Telegram will prompt you with some options for selecting your new profile image or video. A menu will pop up now. What you're looking for is the Open Gallery option, or something similar depending on your device. Tapping this lets you access your phone's photo and video storage to pick out the clip you want. Maybe it's a quick hello, a favorite travel moment, or just something that makes you smile. Once you've selected your video, Telegram doesn't set it as your profile right away. It gives you a chance to edit and make it shine. The video editor opens, and here, where you can trim your clip, you'll notice sliders at the bottom. Use these to cut your video down to the best 10 seconds or less for your profile. Just slide in from the ends and preview how it'll look. Take your time here, this part might take a few moments to get just right. You can also jazz up your video with some extra edits, maybe rotate it if it was filmed sideways, mirror it, or add some fun stickers or captions. These little touches can really make your profile video stand out and show off your personality. If you'd like, Telegram even lets you pick a specific frame from your video to be your static cover image. This snapshot is what people see when your video isn't playing, so think of it like the front cover of a book. It's the first impression. Once you're happy with your edits and have chosen your favorite frame, it's time to lock it in. Look for the check mark or tick icon, usually in the corner, and tap it to finish. Don't worry if it takes a moment for your video to upload. Telegram will let you know when the change is complete. And just like that, your profile video will be set, giving your Telegram a fresh, lively look. And that's it, now your friends and contacts will see your new profile video whenever they chat with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.